Today we're going to be unboxing and installing the SnixWoo roof rail racks or roof racks. I got these ones from their page on Amazon. Very affordable. Here is for the unboxing. We're going to be taking piece by piece out of here. Very nice packaging, protecting the goods on the box. These are the roof rack bars. There's two of them, front and back. Here we have the protectors that are going to be in contact with the rails on this, the OEM rails that are on the actual vehicle. We have some keys and tools and all the hardware on this little baggie right here, and the instructions or the manual. They come individually packed. There's 4 pieces of them. Very nice packaging. And these ones are actually made out of aluminum. So they're pretty sturdy, well made, and they also include this little keyhole. It'll protect them from getting stolen. So if you're in a road trip and you have to park in places that you're not familiar with, you can always lock them out with these keys that they include. I'm going to be unwrapping everything here and coming back to you guys so you guys can see exactly how they look like. All right, we're completely unpacked and unwrapped, and I have everything laying down right here on the trunk of the Honda Pilot. This model of Pilot is a 2023, same one all the way out to I think 2026. This one specifically is the Trail Sport package, so they're gonna look sweet when we put them up there. As I said before, very nice packaging. It comes with these cloth enclosing or protectors. I laid them right here so we have some little contrast because everything is black here. We have 4 of these pieces, all of them with the locking mechanism on the back portion. This piece comes off when you unlock it from right there. We have 2 tools that we're going to be using. We have 8 of these Allen screws. We have 2 of these extra ones just in case you lose these ones. You have 2 on each corner of those bars. They are going to be inserted like that. I'm going to take that off so you see exactly how these go. And we have 4 of these protectors with cutouts and a little bit of adhesive right there. And as I said before, a manual, very nice. Really, really good instructions. It's not always that you see a product like this, but it's almost as good as OEM. Very good pictures. I am going to be taking these off and start presenting them here so you guys can see exactly how we're going to be installing these guys. Once you open up this little latch right here, you're going to find this device right there that locks the posterior portion into place. You're going to have to remove these 2 screws. I removed them already in order to detach this portion right underneath here. It has 2 little clips, one right there and one right there. You want to pry those lightly in order to pop this portion right out. The only hiccup that I have found with this kit is that it doesn't include the tool that you need or the hex that you need to be able to remove these guys. I had to use one of my personal tools, and that is a 3mm hex that you're gonna have to be using in order to remove these guys right there. I am going to remove this portion right here and show you guys what the next step is. All right, you're gonna use a small screwdriver, a flathead. You're gonna insert it right through there very lightly and pry it open. And you're gonna do the same thing with this one. That whole piece will come apart very easy. And it's gonna look like that. Just make sure that you don't force anything. It's plastic on this portion, but it's very well done. Next step is going to be to insert this piece right here all the way through, and we're going to be putting some of these screws on them, lightly tighten. We don't want to tighten up anything yet because we want to make sure that when we go up here onto the rails, we have a little bit of room to play and move them towards where they need to be at before we tighten up everything. All right, we just finished tightening up these guys just a little bit where you can still have some play. And we did that with every single one of these corners. And now we're gonna pass to apply this piece right there. Now in order to install these very easily, we're going to be pushing out these pre-cuts. They come out relatively easy. We're gonna be peeling off this tape. It's gonna come out like that. And then we're gonna line it up right there. And it's gonna end up looking just like that. All right, now that we have all these covering or protectors on each corner of the bars, this is the front one facing that way. We're going to proceed to install them. We're going to be using these little hex screws, and they're going to go, let's see if it wants to focus. There we go. And these holes, which we also have right here, and we have back there too, and right on this side too. Once we have finished tightening up all these bolts on both sides and tightening up these bolts on both sides, then we can proceed on to installing this piece. You see those clips right there? We're going to be inserting them first right there, and then we're going to clip the bottom portion in. So we're going to present it. It's going to go all the way in, and we're going to push this portion. There we go, and there we go. That's nice and secure. Now we can proceed to installing this portion right there, and then closing it up with a key. After we have finished using the 3mm hex to tighten up these guys right there, just make sure that you don't over tighten anything. These ones have a rivet on the other side of the plastic right there, so don't overdo any of these bolts, please. So once that it's nice and secure, we're going to be using the lid. This little portion right there inserts right there in order to close the mechanism. So we put it right that, we tighten up, we remove the key, and that's it. This is a little cover. I'm going to be removing that later, and it's going to look nice and shiny. So we're going to repeat that step on the other side there, and then we're going to move the towel. Remember to protect the roof of your car and the paint. We're going to be moving this towel all the way out there, and we're going to repeat the process that we did with this front portion of the racks with the back portion. Now that front one is installed and secured, we're going to move that towel and protect the roof and start installing this back one right there. We have all the parts that we need. Just make sure that it says rear and that the arrows are pointing forwards towards the front of the vehicle. When I was online on Amazon looking for options for these roof racks that will fit my 2023-2026 Honda Pilot, there was plenty of different aftermarket ones and original equipment ones, and one of my questions was how tall will one of these be, just for aesthetics or for usage purposes. So if you're on the same page, here are some measurements. At the bases that attach to the rail, it's about 4 inches, 4 1/8 of an inch on the rear one. In the middle of it, a little bit under that 4 1/4 of an inch. And as we go to the front, on the base, 4 inches, and on the middle from the glass, about 4 1/8 of an inch to 4 1/4. All right, installation is done. This is how it looks from the front. on the low profile side of things. The side and rear. Very nice overall product. I'll give them a chance and order from them this incredible roof racks.